Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter electric current. Today discuss about topics definition of potential difference, definition of electric motive force, bracket EMF, state and explain Ohm's law. Now start the lesson. Definition of potential difference. It is defined as the work done to move a unit positive charge from one point to another point. This is definition. For example, take a copper wire. Here point A, here point B. Suppose A point 10 charges there. Start move charges, 2 charges reaches to point B. 2 charges reaches to point B. Suppose A point remaining how many charges there? 8 charges. 8 charges. 8 charges is called voltage. Voltage is called potential difference. What is the definition? It is defined as the work done to move a unit positive charge from one point to another point is called potential difference. Understood this definition? The SI unit of potential difference is voltage or volt. Next one, potential difference formula V is equal to W by Q. V means potential difference, W means work, Q means charge. Next one, potential difference can be measured by using voltmeter. Okay. Next one, start. Definition of EMF. EMF observation, electromotive force. What is the definition? It is defined as the work done by the chemical force to move a unit positive charge from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery. This is definition. For example, now take a battery. Take a battery. After that, take a plug key and take a bulb. This is bulb. Next one, take a copper wire. Okay, battery positive terminal to bulb connection. Next one, battery negative terminal to plug key connection. Plug key connection to bulb connection. This is circuit connection completed. Next after that, battery switch on. Battery switch on. What is definition of EMF? What is the definition of EMF? EMF is defined as the work done by the chemical force. To move unit positive charge from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. This is example. Next topic, very important topic, state and explain Ohm's law. First one statement, the electric current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its conductor when temperature and other physical conditions remains constant. This is statement. Let V be the potential difference between the ends of the conductor and I be the current passing through it. Next one, V directly proportional to I. Temperature is constant. For example, V increases, I also increases. Temperature is constant. Next one, V by I is equal to constant. Note, this is constant is called resistance of the conductor. V by I is equal to R, where R is a resistance of the conductor. For example, this is V. V means potential difference. One line. Okay, I means electric current. One line. Okay, R is equal to V by I. R is a resistance of the conductor. V means potential difference. I means electric current. R is equal to V by I. For example, potential difference 1. Electric current value 1. Okay, R is equal to V by I. V value how much? 1. I value 1. Okay, 1 by 1, 1. Okay, R value is a constant. R value is a constant. Next one, potential difference value 2. Electric current value 2. Okay, R is equal to V by I. V value how much? 2. I value 2. 2 by 2 how much is equal to 1. 1 is a constant. Okay, this is resistance of the conductor. R value constant. Potential difference and electric current value increases. Resistance of the conductor constant. This is example for Ohm's law. Okay, R value, first value also 1, second value also 1. R is a constant. R is a resistance of the conductor. Okay, potential difference values increases. Electric current values increases. Resistance of the conductor values constant. Okay, this is a V by I is equal to R. R is a constant. This is a Ohm's law explanation. Understood this statement? Thank you, students. Today 3 definitions completed. First one, definition of potential difference. Second one, definition of electromotive force. Third one, state and explain Ohm's law. Okay, 3 definitions also completed. I will send a PDF file. 3 definitions right. Thank you, students.